Hello, I am going to show you guys another line design. I know, that's a lot of them, but I want to give you lots of options. This one is one I had not tried before, and it was a little bit trickier, so I definitely did it in pencil first. And now I'm ready to start tracing over it. And it's a little hard to see. It's this little one down here. And the reason I chose that one is because I needed something with a darker value, so it stood out from the one right next to it. And I thought it was really kind of interesting and pretty, so that's why I chose that one. I think it's a good thing to have a mix of ones that are a little easier, because you can't spend forever on this, obviously, but ones that are a little bit trickier and more interesting. What you do to start off with this is just curved lines. So 2 curved lines is all you have to do to start with it. Now what we're going to do is we are going to take a line and we're going to kind of curve it around that line. You can see too, I didn't obviously go in here because this is not part of my letter, but that line would have gone down here. So I'm just skipping that area. Now that I have this, I am going to start adding some cool little designs inside the shape I just made. It's almost just like kind of a fan kind of idea. All right, now that I have done that, oh, and I messed up a little bit on the lines over here. There we go. Now that I've done that, I am going to add just some little dots on the outside of that kind of fan area. Okay, oh, I missed one. Now that I have my dots, I'm going to kind of just like outline the outside of this area basically. So straight line to mimic this line, and then curved line to mimic that. And then again, I'm going to mimic the line I already had. And the same thing up here with mimicking those. You can see too at this point why I wanted to do it in pencil first, because I want them touching or a little space, but I don't want those overlapping. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add lines inside of these kind of negative spaces that we've created. And to make it a darker value, we want to put them very close together. I don't know if you can really tell too much in the video, but I can see a decent amount of my pencil showing. So I'm going to make sure in the very end, I go through with an eraser and I take all of that pencil off so it is as neat as possible.